8 driving hacks that will help you save money on gas. Driving may be the most convenient way to get around, but the rising costs of owning and maintaining a vehicle make it a luxury that's too difficult to afford. If you use your car to commute to work on a daily basis, the cost of gas and maintenance services can almost make it feel like you're working to drive rather than driving to work. However, there are some tricks you can do to help cut down on your fuel and maintenance costs. Keep watching for 8 driving hacks that will save you money so you can put the joy back into Joyride. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Number 8. Plan your route before you go. You probably have a destination or two in mind before you put your car into drive. However, many people don't take the most efficient route possible. There are endless amounts of mapping tools available that can guarantee you're getting where you need as fast as possible. When you don't plan ahead to take the route that will get you to your destination in the fastest way possible, you're setting yourself up for failure. All it takes is a little bit of time using the internet or an app to find the way that will not only get you there faster, but will also minimize the amount of traffic you're in. This will help you save gas and will also help promote less wear and tear on your car. This will save you money and sanity in the long run. This tip is especially helpful to follow if you're planning on going on a long trip. If you're driving to a destination that is a few hours away, it is in your best interest to plan ahead. If you're going on a road trip and don't plan your route ahead of time, you may end up accidentally taking a longer route, which could take you hours longer than the shorter route. This would waste unnecessary gas and could potentially cost you a ton of money on wasted gas. So make sure you plan out your route. You should also compare various different routes to see what the best ones are. You should also keep an eye out for routes which could potentially have heavier bouts of traffic than other routes. So bust out your Google Maps and plan your route before you go. Did you know that there's a way to save money on gas by using the air conditioner in your car? Yep, you heard that right, but you'll just have to stick around until the end of the video to find out what that hack is. Number 7. Eliminate wind resistance. Having a luggage rack on your roof or even keeping your windows down can cause wind resistance while driving. The more aerodynamic your vehicle is, the more fuel you'll save in the long run. So, if you're planning on going on a long trip, it might be in your best interest to try to avoid strapping anything onto the roof of your car. If you can, try cramming as much as you possibly can in your car. If you have luggage on the roof of your car, it will significantly slow you down. And if you're going on a long trip, this could cause you to waste unnecessary gas, costing you a hefty penny the longer you drive. Number 6. Plan where you fill up. Don't wait until you're out of gas to fill up, or you'll end up paying more out of convenience. Gas stations near the highway are notorious for being pricier. Plan ahead and take advantage of as many smartphone apps that show you the cheapest gas prices around you. Just like you should plan your route ahead of time, you should do your research and find out the best and cheapest places to get gas. Most small towns tend to have cheaper gas prices than gas stations in the suburbs, major cities, or along highways. If you do your research and look into cheap gas stations along your route, you could save yourself lots of money. Don't waste your hard-earned cash on expensive gas prices. If you're going on a long trip, the best thing to do is always plan ahead. Look for gas stations that are cheaper and plan your route so that when it comes time to fill up, you can do so at a gas station that won't cost you an arm and a leg. The money you save on gas alone could be used for so many other things. Number 5. Declutter your car. Some of us have a habit of driving around with a lot of unnecessary weight. However, it's best to keep only the necessities in your vehicle because the heavier it is, the more fuel it will end up consuming. This might not be easy to do if you're going on a long trip that will take a few hours or a few days. If that's the case for you, try to pack smart. Consider what you need to bring and what you don't need to bring. Don't pack unnecessary things. If you aren't going on a long trip and are just using your car to go about your daily routine, you should still absolutely consider this hack. If you tend to throw anything and everything into the back seat or into the passenger seat, try not doing that. Eliminate any extra things you have lying around in your car or your trunk. The lighter your car is, the less gas it will consume when you're driving it. So, if you've got boxes of CDs from 1998 sitting in your trunk that you've been meaning to throw away since the millennium, well, it might be time to do it right now. You'll save yourself money and clean out your car at the same time. Plus, if your car tends to get really messy because you're generally a messy person, this hack will help you keep your car tidy. Thank us later. Number 4, monitoring your braking. Excessive braking can waste gas and can cause your brake pads to wear out. This can be avoided by monitoring how you brake. Maintaining a safe distance between you and the car ahead of you will eliminate the need to slam on the brakes, which will improve the efficiency of your car. Number 3, use cruise control. When you're driving on the highway, cruise control doesn't just provide your foot a brake, it can also provide additional gas savings. Accelerating regularly will cause you to use much more fuel than necessary. If you're planning on going on a long road trip, this driving hack is an absolute lifesaver. When you're driving on a highway for long periods of time, you can turn on the cruise control so that your car cruises at a set pace the entire way through. Not only will this save your sanity, but it'll also significantly help reduce the amount of gas you're using to get to your destination. This is an amazing driving hack that most people don't actually know about. While it won't work for you city slickers who do a majority of your driving during rush hour and bumper-to-bumper traffic, it is a great hack for anyone who does regular, long highway drives. Or, if you're planning on going on a long road trip anytime soon, well, remember this driving hack. You'll save tons of money. Number 2, monitor your tire pressure. Underinflated tires can cause your fuel consumption to increase. It's important to regularly check your tire pressure, as properly inflated tires help reduce friction and offer better gas mileage. You can do this easily by visiting any mechanic or even a gas station. This is a great way to stay on top of your fuel consumption and save money. And now, here is the ultimate driving hack that will save you money on gas, and it has to do with the air conditioner in your car. Number 1, turn off air conditioning. In the sun months, blasting the AC might seem necessary, but fuel consumption increases 15% on average when the air conditioner is on. The AC uses energy supplied from the engine, which uses the fuel in your gas tank. So if you really don't need to use the air conditioner in your car, try not to. You can always open the windows. What are some of your favorite driving hacks to save gas? Let us know in the comment section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.